Year 2020, we bring you the new P40. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei P40, P40 Pro, and the P40 Pro Plus.
Hello guys, welcome to Josh Tech Zone. Today we'll be reviewing the Huawei P40 Pro, which is one of the latest flagship phones in the Huawei P40 series mobile devices. You all know the Chinese top mobile technology company has been producing mobile devices that can be compared to other high-end mobile devices by other companies like Samsung, Apple, Google, Redmi, and others. The Huawei P40 Pro comes with a full HD OLED screen of about 6.6 inches in diagonal with rounded edges and a resolution of 1200 by 2640 pixels. This phone comes in various colors, which are the ice white, deep sea blue, black, silver frost, and as well blush gold. The screen refresh rate of this phone is quite fast, even at 90 Hz, which is less than the Samsung S20 Ultra of 120 Hz. The refresh rate is quite good and with a noticeable speed. It has an on-screen optical fingerprint scanner, which has been increased in size and speed by 30% of the Huawei P30 Pro, which was the previous flagship of Huawei smartphone device. The Huawei P40 Pro also has a face unlocking technology, which uses infrared recognition that makes it work even in low light condition. This phone comes packed with a quad camera setup at the back, a 50 megapixel main camera, 40 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 12 megapixel zoom camera, and a 3D depth sensing camera, and a flashlight for taking night photos. The main camera produces brilliant and colorful photos in daylight, as well as the telephoto zoom lens and so also the ultra wide lens. It does a good job in taking night shots using the main camera or the ultra wide camera. Nighttime zoom photo is not bad too, even in low light condition. With its 4K quality photo, you can zoom into a photo and still get a crispy clear photo, just like taking a photo within a photo. The Huawei P40 Pro has a good video stabilizer, which is good for taking a walkthrough video, and also has a sound detection feature when zooming on an object while you video. This phone comes with a super fast charger of up to 40 watts and supports a fast wireless charger of up to 40 watts as well. All of these features are powered by the Kirin 990 5G processor, which is faster than the Kirin 990 chipset on the P30 Pro produced by Huawei. I do not get that much of even when gaming, when it's not a gaming phone. The phone comes with a single bottom speaker and a USB Type-C port. The sound from the speaker is not bad. The phone does not have an headphone jack port, so you will need to use a USB Type-C adapter cable to plug in an headphone. While P40 Pro looks good with a luminous curved back and a premium finish with its quad camera setup. The phone comes with a 256GB of storage space and can be expanded using the Huawei Nano memory card. It has a 4200 mAh battery, which can last for up to 92 hours depending on the usage. The phone is running on the latest Android 10 OS with the Huawei EMUI 10.1 skin. Don't forget, the Huawei company has been banned by the US government from using US-based company apps, so it's not bundled with all the Google apps like Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, and other Google apps. The phone is water resistant and as well dust resistant, and also has motion gesture for controlling the phone. This is the Huawei P40 Pro smartphone. Please do like this video by giving a thumbs up and dropping a comment in the comment section below. to let me know if you enjoyed this video and what video would you like to see next, and do click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day.